Ito yung aming trilogy na nireklamo mahina daw bumasag. Solito Class. EMS ang brand. Swiss made. Solito Class. So ito yung mga pambasag namin ng stone pag nasa urethric lang, guys. Kailan? Tight. Yes, enough.
More down, more.
This is maximum.
More tight.
This is the max.
It's not recognized in the machine. I think because the probe is used, it's not recognized in the machine. We need another probe.
Another probe.
New probe.
We need to open to a new probe because this
Yes, new probe.
one not recognized.
Yeah. Where?
Change with new one. Not recognized. Why there is only one use this one? Huh?
This is used.
What? This is only
This one used.
one use only for patient?
So it means this is a
Not reusable?
each patient
Single use.
single use.
Single use.
This one.
Yes, it's a single use. Yes.
You will change, sir.
But I will bring another probe.
So guys, pag marumi din, hindi rin madidetect yan. Kailangan linisin din natin ng alcohol swab. Yan, no?
And wait a little bit.
Yan.
Basil, what is the other stone or
What is the, what's the cases?
renal stone?
Renal, tomorrow.
According to the scrub, sir, is renal stone.
Renal stone.
Yeah, PCNL we are using this one.
I can't hear.
Renal stone, sir. Last case.
Okay.
Lagi ka, ha? Still not yet detected.
What's the display of the machine?
Still not detected the probe.
Is it a new probe? You just opened a new probe?
Yeah.
New probe.
No. This one one time used. New
One
probe
time
we
used.
don't have new probe.
We don't have new probe, sir.
It will not read. We need to open a new probe, sir.
You need a new probe. Not.
I will check. If you have the store kit.
So okay yung handpiece niya. Console niya okay. Ang problema na taga yung pinakaano niya.
Do you have in the R something like a small?
Ang issue niya, guys, hindi niya madidetect tong ating ito yung ating handpiece, yung yan. So kahit i-tight na natin nito, so hindi pa rin siya madidetect. Failure pa rin yung ating status ng ating probe. Trilogy. Hindi madidetect yung probe. Ito, isang size lang.
Only one size, this one, sir, ha? One size only.
One even.
One size.
Ano?
Ito yung price.
Okay, you have
So we have new.
You know, what is the incubator? This is for January.
Not
2026.
supporting.
January.
Yeah, January.
Not supporting.
We only start
The
now
older one,
January.
something is telling like,
No? Same here.
We
Only
did not
start
receive
this
yet.
month.
We will check. We will check this one later.
Before second month.
Uy, color green, the orange.
you see, now it's okay.
No, see, it's
Now
okay.
it's okay.
Kasi kung ano yung ginagamit niya,
So,
sir, yun yung
now it's okay.
tinetest namin. Hindi sir, ito na nag-okay na. Nung nag-connect na kami ng bagong
Bago.
probe,
Okay na. It's
nag-okay
okay.
na.
It's okay na ng probe. Dahil
Oo,
bago na yung probe
nag-okay
niya.
na siya.
New probes.
Hindi na.
So we will test with the...
Mag-provide daw siya si company na.
Yeah, wait. We will test with the...
Sir, you will provide the...
Put with water, this one. Put with water. Dip with water, that one.
Kaso,
So,
andito si Sir Roy lang.
Okay na yung
Nag-video call kami
kanya.
sa nag-download ako ng
Status niya.
butin. Wala. Naka-video call kami sa butin.
Status niya, okay na lahat.
Download ako. Update na lang kita. Kasi may video ko naman si Sir Roy. Sir,
What
we're
switch?
trying now.
wait. Hardstone.
Start,
This
start.
one.
Yeah.
Display first. Dali lang. He wants to see that. This one, the display, sir. Yung
12 hertz.
Can we put the frequency 8?
8.
8. 8.
Okay, and the action 40, please.
Suction.
Okay, 40, yes, 40.
40.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, show me the
Impact.
stone, please.
Stone.
Here,
The
there.
tablet. With water, sir.
More water or enough water?
Enough water?
Yeah, you can put a little bit more water.
Little bit more water.
All covered with water.
Okay.
More water.
Like this, okay?
No, put water there. Put too much water there. Kasi nakalubog dapat yung nakalubog yung handpiece.
Sir, i-send mo kay Sir Nino
Sige po.
video. Tapos mag-email ka.
Yan yung
Si Ma'am
settings
Jackie
niya.
nag-aas din.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Now.
it's okay. Water.
Great.
Okay, now?
You can put it in the corner so it's not over.
Corner. Corner. Okay.
Okay. Now it's already melt.
Okay.
Okay, let's start firing.
Bye.
Start. Put.
Fine.
Yeah, it's already hand.
No.
What? What no?
Coffee firing.
Happy firing.
Did you put you didn't put the section, right?
Where's the suction?
Suction node. That's also need.
The section.
Suction. You need suction also.
Alam mo siya
Need.
Yeah.
Need to open suction. Yeah, too much expensive this one.
You need a suction.
If we will open...
Naka-screw dito sa handpiece. Tagila. Kuha ka ulit ng bagong panadol. Wala na. Tunaw na to. Tunaw na yung ating stone. Yan.
Pero maybe pick up the extra.
Single, double.
What do you mean single total?
Pag yung manual o yung manual o yung pang monitor, meron pa yata ako. Yun lang.
Just one.
Kaya lang siya nakaapo.
Okay. So put this one here.
Yalla. Okay? Kalas. I will show you.
Just give me the bag.
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 Okay.
Wala, mushkila. What else?
Okay. Hang the bag there. Down.
Okay. Now it's okay, sir. Connected. Okay. Now, another Panadol.
Already melt the panadol is.
It's melted already. Mushkila yun. Ha? Yeah, you will give, huh? Not only Panadol.
Yeah.
Lunch also.
Bring one probe, one snow catcher and one panadol.
Ay! Mushkila. Carbon.
Malakas ang power ah.
Yeah, la. See, not power.
Wait. Put in the Panadol.
It's firing, okay?
But there is no power.
No power.
You can hold that. No, you can hold this one because ano vibration. There is no electricity or anything.
There is a
See gloves?
Yes, gloves.
gloves or
What? Mapi power here.
30 by 30.
Mapi energy.
here, sir. He's firing.
Firing, but there is no.
System, this is off. Now on.
On. It's off. Where's off?
Oil on or off?
Up to your seat, on and off.
On,
Now
and-
it's on, okay.
on already.
Okay, now on.
Oh, okay. Fire.
Yeah, press here. No power.
There is.
No, this is not the power.
Huh?
There is basin.
There's power here.
Put the ultrasound on.
Okay, it's not working.
Okay,
Okay,
now.
work. Now it's off.
Okay.
Oh, fire.
Okay, try to fire.
No power.
Sound, right?
Mapi tik 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 sound.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. There is.
No power.
You heard?
Yeah, there is already. There is, but there is not breaking.
But it's not breaking. Mapi tik 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 sound.
There is a sound or no?
Mapi.
There is sound. There is a tick tick tick.
There is sound
But
but
not
not
the
working.
It's only sucking.
Section we have.
Yeah, only sucking.
Section we have.
Okay, I will get back to you quickly, okay? Just give me 5 minutes, I will get back to you.
Okay.
No, see power.
See, even there is sound. Tick 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 tick, but there is no power. I think no more water.
No more.
Yes, is there water here?
No water.
Okay.
When it repair,
Yes.
we need to repair.
So there is no more water. There is no water.
We will need to repair the water.
We need to refill, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
You need to put water until it is at the middle level between
Yeah,
the
there is
and the maximum.
there is the maximum.
Middle.
Okay. So we will put water. Asan yung ano nito?
Okay.
Funnel.
So there is,
Saka yung distilled water.
What do you call
The-
the water that is something?
Distilled water or pro water?
Distilled water.
Distilled water? Okay. Distilled water. Give me. May distilled water ka?
What did you ask? Distilled water or what?
Just to
Raw water. This distilled water, there is no.
The distilled water, there is a bottle that comes with the machine. I think it should be in your store.
Yeah, distilled water should be. Not saline water, not saline. The
To fill it up. There should be a small bottle to fill up the machine, compatible with the machine.
distilled water
oh.
or saline water.
Yes. Yes.
Distilled, not the saline.
Sir,
Not the saline. I will make sure about what kind of water. If there is a small bottle, okay, compatible with the machine. You can connect it with the machine with the tube. It should be in the store. In the store.
Meron pala kayo eh. So ito guys, kaya sa walang power dahil nga empty yung ating water. Oh. So kailangan natin mag-refill ng distilled water. So hinahanap ko lang yung pang-refill niya. Ganito lang pag-refill niya na.
ganyan daw pag-refill.
So ayan na guys siya. Pinipiga lang to.
Tawagan ko lang yung company, sir.
Impact tank. Not 100.
Impact 100.
Okay, that's good to go.
Off, suction off. Suction,
Try now.
Suction na, what suction? It's okay?
guys, okay.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Now we will try.
So meron na siyang power. So try lang muna natin ulit.
Sir Roy.
Okay, not from the side, connected.
On the top. Okay, top.
It's working. Some power.
Now working?
Yeah, see?
Yeah, now it's working.
It's doing like this. Because too much hot. This one, and always check this one is loose, always. It's coming loose.
No,
Always
you
tight.
look.
Lock already, but